What's up? UPS truck parked in the middle of Ocean Parkway, blocking the one lane that's available because he has to make a delivery. Really important. Yep, mess up the ambulances, the fire department that's trying to get by to an emergency. Real brilliant. And the fire department still cannot get through because of that UPS truck. Right now I'm standing on the Parkville Avenue and Ocean Parkway in the northbound direction. The fire department is trying to get through by 18th Avenue heading southbound, and it's just stuck because everybody is parked in the middle of Ocean Parkway on the right lane and left lanes in both directions of Ocean Parkway. And I'm just assuming now that fire department is the fire truck is heading to East 3rd and Avenue O, where there's a fire. And that's about 1.5 miles away from here, which normally would take 2 minutes for this fire truck to get to. Go, 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 go! Let's go! Let the fire truck go!